Now we know moving forward in September 2023, ACCA will have a major overhaul of the SBL paper. We're going to have what we call a pre-seen material. So now there will be a very troubling questions that a lot of students would like to ask is, so do I take the SBL exam in June 2023 or should I wait for the new format to take place in September 2023? So I thought this is a short video that I want to share with you all so that you can make an informed decision. Now, first of all, I would like you all to take note of what are the present SBL and how things are going to be different. Okay, we know that SBL is currently a paper that is on a 4-hour exam. And we also know that this is going to be a case study where all the information will only be made available to you. Now, one of the main change is the structure of the CBE system itself. Now, I'm going to show you what happened in the exam when you go for the SBL paper now, up to June 2023. Now, this is actually a sample of the December 2022 paper. As you can see on the left hand side, there's a menu of all the exhibits. Now take note of the number of exhibits that you're having at the moment. Now you have altogether about 8 of them. Now, and you notice that there are altogether 5 different tasks, all based around the same case study. Now, even though there are 5 different tasks, you can see that there's only one response option. Now, for example, if you want to attempt your task 1, which is a 14 marks technical marks questions with 4 professional marks. Now, if you think that these questions is better answered in a word processor, now you will actually come here and type in your answers. Now, so let's say this is task 1. Now, but when you attempt your task number 2, you notice that it will be the same word processor that you will be using. Now, the feedback from students will be, it's actually very difficult for presentation. For example, when you want to use your spreadsheets for financial analysis, or you are asked to give presentation slides, so you find that the clarity is not there. Now, one of the main difference moving forward with the new structure or the new format for SBL beginning in September 2023 is the response sheets will be catered to the task. So you will have a specific response option for each task. Now, for example, maybe when you have task 1, that you will need to use the word processor, then you find that there will be a word processor for your task 1. But when you go to task 2, let's say task 2 part A is a task that requires you to prepare presentation slides, then you find that you will be able to make use of the slides specific to task 2. So this is actually a good thing, that it will not mix up your answers. So students find that it's actually clearer. Now, that's something good about the new structure. Okay, so obviously the next questions that students like to ask is, will the new format be more difficult or will it be easier? Now, when you go to the new format, you realize that the second difference is the time.